just started to drive. There's no lights, as you can see there. Car feels normal. Sorry for shaky video. Hello guys, Estima owners, especially hybrid ones. I've done today a bit bodged job with the 12-volt battery, because for the Estimas they have a bit different, I wouldn't say different, but they have with the sensor battery. So I thought recently I was having issues with the hybrid system. It was throwing code P0A80, which says you have to replace battery pack. For the past week I was having an issue when driving. Suddenly, like VSC engine light, what else was coming on, exclamation mark, red one, and I got a Talk app, plus I bought an Elm, which is like a couple pounds. It's over there. So I bought this Elm OBD, which is second version 2. I wouldn't say that is bad or good, but it couldn't read any faults, anything like that to do with the hybrid system. So then later on I bought this one. It's that make, at least it reads fault code, so that one gave me fault. Next thing was researching on Google, my friend Google, reading some on the Russian side, some other English versions and everything, and came up with the conclusion could be 12-volt battery. So what I've done today was came home. While I was driving, battery showed 14 volts, 14.4 volts, which is fine. I was monitoring on the Talk app, and then when I came home, I parked car, turned on, put headlights on, put the tail lights, like fogs, heating on, like on full blast, to monitor what battery voltages were. And literally within a minute, that battery was reading only 7.7 volts. I know that is toasted. I need to replace it. So before I go and buy some super duper battery or whatever, so I needed to check, is it really battery? So what's happened was, I got my old Nissan Almera, which is like year 2001. Battery sizes very similar. I thought I'll use it, I'll try it. So connected, everything's fine, but having an issue, not an issue, a fault which says, if I turn a hybrid system on, now exclamation mark. Everything works except exclamation mark is on. Where are the fault codes? There's no fault codes. And if I go now on here, it does not charge. It doesn't show is it charging battery, what using, anything like that. So what it does, it shows battery there. So I thought, because on original Toyota battery there's a temperature sensor, and I think that's something to do with it. So what I've done was, I went, got a sensor out. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go and plug in. So as you can see, that is Panasonic battery made in Japan. This battery is made in Japan, and it's Panasonic for Toyota hybrids. And that is the temperature sensor I was talking. So it's under this. That sticker was there, so I removed sensor. Got a sticky tape, and I'll show you my bodge job. So which is battery RAC, well, with a couple of wood pieces, and there's a behind there, as you can see, over there I have a sensor cable. So what I will do now is like tape its sensor to a battery just for a short time of period, and if that solves that red exclamation mark, what I will do, I will order correct battery, correct height, keep that the same sensor and put over there, and we'll see, go from there.
Daddy.
Okay guys, what I've done now, I reconnected that sensor, started the car, and that exclamation mark was there. But what I've done was shut it off, went back to a battery, disconnected negative terminal, and by magic all disappeared. So now you can see everything's working. Now if I go there, over here, try to everything's working. So what I will do next is I will monitor, I will run with this bodge job battery stuff for the couple of days to see where I am, and I'll see what's happening.